What's going on, everybody? Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. Welcome. Tonight we're going to be going over a company out of Alabama. If you can see my hat, that's right. A company called Barn Brand Beards. My dude Text sent me his #1 selling beard oil, and we're going to go over that right after the intro.
This is the beginning of meditation.
Welcome back, you guys. Thanks for coming back and hanging out with me. Tonight's review is going to be about Barn Brand Beards. My buddy Tex from Alabama is #1 selling beard oil, which goes by the name of GhostBuck. I'm sure you'll find other reviews on YouTube somewhere. Phenomenal scent. It's his take on the popular agarwood OUD wood scent. It's a fantastic scent. His products are natural, organic, vegan friendly. It's a small batch company. He hand makes everything. I think he specializes in soap because his soaps are phenomenal, out of this world type products. So we're gonna go over GhostBuck, a little bit about him. Here's his business card. And he sent me a little personal note, which is always good. Patrick, here's a little token of our gratitude from us here at the Barn Brand. We hope you enjoy our #1 oil, GhostBuck, and a sample. I'm not going to tell you the sample that I got because it's a special other review. I'm going to do separate. Tex, Barn Brand, and this special sample that he sent me. It's collaboration with a fellow beardsman. I'm sure you all know what it is. I probably don't have to say it. But anyway, this review is going to be on the GhostBuck. You got to wait for that one. GhostBuck includes all natural carrier blends with agarwood, OUD wood, and essential oils. And this is, like I said, this is his take on his OUD scent. And the bottle is absolutely amazing. He knew I was, he always gives me a hard time because he knows I like labels. And I would say he nailed this label. This is an awesome label. If you guys are familiar with his GhostBuck, a phenomenal oil. I really enjoyed using this. And of course the white tip, gold cap, amber bottle. The ingredients in this, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, shea nut oil, and castor oil. All good stuff for your beard and your skin. And as you can see, I used quite a bit of that stuff. It's good stuff, man. Tex did a great job on this. The consistency is a medium consistency. It's got maybe a touch of a golden tint to it. Right off the bottle open, you get the OUD, of course. And there's sweet notes in there. I can't exactly name them, but there's other scents in here going on. The OUD is the strongest scent, of course, but that is a good OUD. I would rank that up there with my favorite OUD scents. I'm not even gonna bother doing a favorite OUD scent because I would have 5 #1 oils. It's just, they're so hard to choose from. This works beautifully in beard, as always. The other stuff he sent me from my other past reviews, all his stuff, I think, in my opinion, is great products. I never had a problem with any of them. But like I said, that's my opinion. It works. They work good in my beard. What works good in my beard doesn't necessarily mean it works good in your beard. But that was GhostBuck. You guys haven't tried it, you got to get yourself some of this. I'll leave everything down in the description box below so you can get some of this good stuff. Like I said, I got another review coming up. His sample he sent me, you guys know what it is. I know you do, but that's for another video. always, as always, guys, thank you for the constant support. Tex, thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Keep making those bomb ass products. Keep making those soaps, especially. Until the next one, guys. Peace.